Have you ever dreamed of building a software business?
That makes money while you sleep?
It is called a SaaS, or Software as a Service. Today, building one is easier than ever. But how do you go from a simple idea to a profitable business with a growing team? It takes a clear, step-by-step plan. Let's break down the exact 7 steps you need to follow to build, launch, and scale your very own profitable SaaS.
Step number 1 is all about market research
and finding a painful problem.
Many founders fail because they build something nobody actually wants. Instead of starting with a cool feature, start with a struggle. Look at online communities like Reddit, indie hackers, or Facebook groups. What are people complaining about? What tasks take them hours to complete? Your goal is to find a specific recurring pain point for a specific group of people. If you can solve a problem that saves people time or makes them money, they will happily pay you for it. Once you find the problem, it is time for step 2, defining your minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP is the simplest version of your product that still solves the core problem. Resist the temptation to add every cool feature you can think of. If you are building a tool to schedule social media posts, your MVP does not need advanced AI writing, detailed analytics, or team collaboration tools. It just needs to publish a post at a scheduled time. Keep it simple. The faster you build it, the faster you can test it in the real world. Now, let's move to step 3, validation and pre-selling. Before you write a single line of code, you need to make sure people will actually pay for your solution. The best form of validation is money. Build a simple landing page that explains your product and its benefits. Put a pre-order button on it. If people are willing to enter their credit card details before the product is even finished, you know you have a winner. If no one buys, you can change your idea without losing months of development time and thousands of dollars. Once you have validation, step 4 is building the product. You have a few options here. If you know how to code, you can build it yourself. If you do not have to worry. Today, you can use no-code tools like Bubble or Flutterflow to build fully functional web apps. Alternatively, you can hire a freelance developer or partner with a technical co-founder.
The key here is speed and feedback.
Focus on getting a working version into the hands of your early supporters as quickly as possible. Step 5 is the launch. This is where you get your first real users. Do not expect a flood of customers on day 1. Just because your site is live, you have to go out and find them. Launch on platforms like Product Hunt, Beta List, and Hacker News. Reach out directly to the people you talk to during your research phase. Share your journey on Twitter or LinkedIn. Be helpful in online forums where your target audience hangs out. Your main goal right now is to get feedback and fix any early bugs. With users on board, step 6 is securing your first consistent revenue and creating a feedback loop. Charge for your software from day 1. Do not give it away for free forever. Paid users give the best feedback because they are invested in your success. When someone pays for your product, talk to them. Ask them what they love, what they hate,
and what they would pay more for.
Use this feedback to improve your software. As your product gets better, your customers will stay longer. And they will start telling their friends. This is how organic growth begins. Finally, step 7 is scaling up your team and your systems. Once you have a steady stream of revenue, you cannot do everything yourself anymore. You will need to build a team to keep growing. Start by outsourcing tasks that take up most of your time, but do not require your unique skills, like customer support or basic system maintenance. Hire freelancers or virtual assistants first. As your revenue grows, you can bring on full-time developers and marketers. Focus on building systems and clear processes, so the business can run smoothly even when you are not working. Building a profitable SaaS is a journey, not an overnight event. By taking it step by step, from research to scaling, you can turn your software idea into a successful, life-changing business. Start with step 1 today. Find that problem and take action.